When it comes to Michelin, most people may think of Michelin Tires, a company established in 1889 in France Clermont-Ferrand by Michelin brothers. In order to promote the company's tires, they decided to publish a travel guide containing recommendations for ideal restaurants and hotels. In 1900, the first edition of the Michelin Guide came into being. It was in 1831 that the Michelin Guide adopted a 3-star rating system. The Michelin Guide has entered Shanghai, Guangzhou, Beijing, Chengdu, and Hangzhou since 2016, when it first came to Chinese mainland, providing a more international stage for Chinese cuisine, including Sichuan Cuisine.
So that the Michelin Guide has contributed to ignite a positive emulation, and then for sure will contribute to promote Sichuan cuisine, not only in Chengdu, but in China, and contribute also to its popularity across the world.
How does the Michelin Guide introduce Sichuan cuisine to the whole world? The 2024 Michelin Guide Chengdu was published on September 7th. So sit back, relax, and let's take a look at some of the delicious food of each listed restaurant to satisfy our cravings. If you just can't wait, you can see the complete list at the end of the video. Do you think Sichuan cuisine only has one flavor, spicy? No. One dish may have one particular style, and hundreds of dishes may have hundreds of different flavors. Retaining the natural and original taste of the food is the specialty of Michelin chefs.
比如说我们的回锅肉，首先第一点要有肉香，第二点四川的蒜苗很好，第三个四川的郫县豆瓣缺一不可，然后还要加个酱，它是酱香型的，这个回锅肉就可以征服世界。如果你做得不好，来就是那个大麻大辣，它整多少子辣椒进去，辣人家甩舌头，除了辣味就没得其他味。所以说，要想做一个好菜，食物自然的味道要体现出来。
Sichuan cuisine is not only fiery and lip-tingling, but also use-oriented, internationalized, and diversified. The arrival of the Michelin Guide has made the masters of Sichuan cuisine rethink how they integrate Sichuan cuisine with other foods and make innovations to offer every romantic taste in the universe.
那么你要把当地的，就是四川的地方文化，怎样把它包装好，让它感受到这个国家的明确特色。记住，创新、包容、自我，才能在世界上占有一席之地。
Are you wondering what signature dishes Chengdu Michelin restaurants are serving? Stay tuned for our next videos every week to learn the most genuine and trendy recipes for Sichuan cuisine from Michelin chefs.